Generally, we can all acknowledge that there are some competitors in the market who clearly understand marketing. They're way out in front, they're capturing way more consumer mind share than is their fair share, and just generally they're killing it all around, and everybody knows it. And as much as we hate it, we kind of love it. You can't help but admire these types of brands, whether they're your direct competitor or just a brand that you happen to admire out there in a related industry. And you're left to think, what are they doing that I'm not? How can we run our marketing campaigns and program like that? So as a CEO, CEOs generally shift towards thinking certain questions at this time around certain areas, like what is our campaign strategy? And what's our status for marketing talent and resources? And even things like, do we have the right brand positioning or messaging, or what's our visual identity? And these are all great things to think as a CEO, but generally CEOs could benefit most by asking this one question instead, which is, as a CEO, what can I do to enable marketing in my organization? In other words, what can me and my executive team, people who don't necessarily execute on marketing at all, what actions can we take to ensure that we're fostering a marketing forward culture within our organization? And that's exactly what we want to do. In our first session for marketing actions for CEOs and executive teams, we're going to be talking about these exact concepts and ensuring that CEOs and executive teams feel empowered to at least know enough to enable that type of a marketing culture. So you can see the topics that we've listed here, simple actions executives can take to enable marketing, best practices for marketing sections for your one-page plan. This is a very, very big gap that I've talked about a lot. How to establish a marketing growth framework, budgeting and performance tracking best practices, and just in general, what CEOs need to understand most to enable marketing in their organization. So this is on October 27th through AceTech, and we'd love to see you there.